Hey, wouldn't it be cool if our duck and our chick had a little baby? We could call it Chuck. Or Dick.
Hey,
Hey.
listen, I need a favor. I was in the shower, and as I was cleansing myself, I felt something.
Was it like a sneeze, only better?
No, I mean like a thing on my body.
What was it?
Well, I don't know. It's kind of in a place that's not visually accessible to me, and I was hoping maybe you guys could help me out.
Whoa!
Come on, you guys, no big deal. Just Huh. Well, what is it? Is it a mole?
No, it's too wrinkly to be a mole.
Well, ew, is it what, a pimple?
No, it's fancier than a pimple. Look, Ross, why don't you just go see a duck? Okay, well, it's definite. 2 more weeks of winter.
Yeah, right.